Gawin nating travel ready ang beauty nyo sa tulong ng ating guest expert. At magpaulan tayo ng emoji sa chat para kay Teree Daisuke. I love the energy!
Hello, hello, hello!
Hello! Hi to you! I can see in your skin, very glowing ang skin natin.
Thank you so much.
I'm wearing more makeup pero mas glowing pa rin si Teree. When it comes to sporting the right looks for a destination, how do you stay fashionable in those situations? Paano mag-plan for those?
When it comes to skincare, dapat yung ano lang, kailangan ko in terms of kung anong kailangan ng skin type ko. Like for example, I'm combination skin. Ako, I prefer yung mga hydrating or moisturizing na skincare products kasi kahit sabihin mo maaraw or mainit, kung dry skin ka, minsan mag-flake ka pa din eh. Lalo na if you have dry skin. For makeup naman, mga sheer products, like for example, when it comes to foundation, if you have a full coverage foundation, you can sheer it up by using small amounts. Ilang natin siya sa back ng kamay, pero konti lang ang kunin natin. Okay na to for me. Tapos, pat lang natin dito. Ako hindi ko dinediretso yung product sa face ko eh. Sa likod muna ng kamay ko, and then tsaka natin siya i-blend.
Ooh!
There.
Subtle eyeliner.
Yes. Gusto natin, syempre, lightweight lang yung makeup natin. Very sheer. Para at least kung sa weather, humid weather ng Singapore, eh talagang maglalast pa siya longer.
Expert yan on LazLive Plus. Streaming every Wednesday at 7 p.m. only on the Lazada app.